Hello, Derek Seagraves here. I wanted to share with you, even in the aftermath of the Eagle River earthquake, what a wonderful place this is to live. And I chose to show you, to share with you, in maybe the most dramatic scene of the Eagle River earthquake, and that's these supports holding up the side of the elementary school. Now, this elementary school is condemned for the moment. They're not having school there, and there's supports on the other side, and so there's all this structure around the building holding the walls up so it doesn't peel like a banana or something. And even with that going on, even with the broken windows and stuff in different parts of Eagle River, it's a wonderful place to live, and I'm excited to share with you my top 5 reasons why. The first reason that we love Eagle River, my family loves Eagle River, is the small town feel. Now, it's not an incredibly small town. It's 30,000 people here in the different neighborhoods and such, but it's still a small enough place that you can get known at the grocery store. It's a small enough place that you can be a regular at a coffee shop, that you can get to know your neighbors, and we really enjoy that we don't have to deal with the hustle and the bustle of the city. Now, our second favorite part of Eagle River is our proximity to the city. It's very convenient to live here, because if you do want a super nice meal and you want to go shopping at a mall or things like that, Anchorage is only 20-25 minutes away. And so it's really easy to get to. Now, our third favorite reason to live in Eagle River is kind of tied to that, the Anchorage thing, is that Anchorage has our international airport for our state. And so I travel more than most. This might be a little bit more for us than it would be for you, but we like being close to the airport, because in the past we had to drive 3 hours to get to the airport, and then we could fly however far we needed to go. So we like being close to the airport. The fourth reason we really like Eagle River is that it's so family friendly. You know, there's lower crime here than there are in the neighborhoods to the south or north of us. Wasilla, Palmer, Anchorage all report higher crimes and other family concerns, drug usage and things like that. We have a lot of parks for kids, a lot of activities for kids. It's really family friendly here. Even the neighborhoods, most of them are these old 70s neighborhoods with cul-de-sacs and wiggly roads that keeps people's speeds down, and it's just a wonderful place to raise a family. We don't have any kids in the school system because all our kids are too young right now, but I hear the schools are really great also. There's a lot of sports and activities, a lot of good things for families going on here. And fifthly, my favorite thing about Eagle River is that it's actually Alaska. Now, there's a joke here that Alaska is only 15 minutes away from Anchorage, and we're 20-25 minutes outside of Anchorage. And that's just a joke on the city, poking fun that they're not really Alaska, that they got their own thing going on there. But we're far enough away from the city, not only to be a small town and not only to have to not deal with the hustle and bustle and hassle of a city, but we get to really be Alaska. And so there's mountains all around us and lakes all around us and hiking trails and berries to pick and fish to catch. And it's just a wonderful place to be. You head north from us a little bit and there's incredible moose hunting. A little further north, incredible caribou hunting. It's kind of the gateway outside of Anchorage into more of Alaska, the greater Alaska. And so those are my top 5 reasons why we love it in Eagle River, even after the earthquake. The earthquake will get cleaned up, we'll be just fine, and we'll be here a long time afterwards. Now, before you go, I want to invite you to follow me along around Eagle River in the next few videos. If you're headed to Eagle River to live or to visit, I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to the channel, not because I need subscribers, my ego is not so invested, but I do plan on making a lot more videos in the future. Videos about our awesome town. I'm going to interview business leaders, community leaders, neighbors, show you some of my favorite places. It's just something I feel like I want to do for those folks that are coming into our area. And so if you want to follow me along and learn more about this awesome part of Alaska, please do. And if you like that idea, go ahead and give us a like on the video and leave us a comment about what you'd like to see in these upcoming videos as we celebrate this awesome part of Alaska.